Hi, this is Kavita Sani and I am a legal intern of Lexis and Company and I am a law student of IME Law College, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is adultery is not a crime in India. India's top court has ruled that adultery is no longer a crime, declaring that the colonial era law is unconstitutional and discriminatory against women. A five-judge bench of the Supreme Court immediately ruled that the criminal offence of having a sexual relationship with a woman without her husband's consent was archaic and deprived women of agency. Section 497 of the CIPC states that whoever has sexual intercourse with a person who is and whom he knows or has reason to believe to be the wife of another woman without the consent of that man, such sexual intercourse not amounting to the offence rape is guilty of the offence of adultery. Section 497 of the IPC gave a husband the exclusive right to prosecute the person with whom the wife committed adultery by indulging in sexual intercourse with him. The husband can also file for divorce against his adulterous wife on grounds of adultery. However, a similar right was not conferred on a wife to prosecute the woman with whom her husband had committed adultery. Secondly, the provision did not confer any right on the wife to prosecute her husband for adultery. This is, however, the perspective of looking at this provision. The part of section 198 of CRPC and section 497 of Indian Penal Code deals with adultery was also declared unconstitutional. It is time to say husband is not the master, as this is said by the Chief Justice, and any provision treating women with inequality is not constitutional, which is said by the Justice Mishra. According to the Chief Justice of India, adultery can only a criminal offence if it attracts the scope of section 306, means abatement to suicide of the IPC, and not on its own. The constitutionality of section 497 of IPC was challenged in the case of Joseph Sine versus Union of India. This is a case of 2018. In this case, the petitioner contended that the criminal law should be used only as the last method of social control, and it should not be used to check or control private morality or immorality. Centre, on the other hand, argued that adultery is an intentional action which impinges on the sexual fidelity and sanctity of marriage. It is an action knowingly and willingly done with the full knowledge that it would hurt the family, the children, and the spouse. After hearing both the sides, the Supreme Court, in a bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, Deepak Mishra, pronounced that the section 497 of the IPC is unconstitutional and hence struck it down. The court held that provision was based on gender stereotype and hence violated Article 14, which is equal protection of law, and Article 15, non-discrimination on ground of sex, of the Constitution. The court also struck down section 198 clause 2 of the CPC, and which allowed a husband to bring in charges against the man with whom his wife has committed adultery. The court also held that for adultery to be termed as a criminal offence, it is essential that one of the spouses committed suicide in the course of the event. In such a case, the other spouse would be made liable for abatement to suicide under section 306 of the IPC. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video and learn something from it. So do like, share and comment, subscribe the channel. Thank you.